From chaos to calm. 10 home organization hacks that actually work. Clutter and disorganization can quickly make your home feel overwhelming and chaotic, robbing you of peace and productivity. Whether it's a cluttered closet, an overflowing kitchen pantry, or a living room filled with misplaced items, disorganization can disrupt the harmony of your space and even affect your mental well-being. Thankfully, with the right strategies, you can transform your home into a sanctuary of calm and order. By using simple yet effective organization hacks, you can not only reduce stress, but also save time and improve the functionality of your living space. These top 10 home organization hacks will help you streamline your home, making it more functional, beautiful, and stress-free. Let's count down the most effective hacks. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button to never miss out on any of our videos. 10. Underbed shoe organizer. One of the best ways to free up closet space is to take advantage of the unused area under your bed. An underbed shoe organizer is the perfect solution for storing out-of-season shoes or pairs you don't wear daily. With compartments for 6 to 9 pairs of shoes, these organizers can fit perfectly under most beds, helping you keep shoes accessible but out of sight. This hack is especially useful if you live in a small space with limited storage. Not only does it declutter your bedroom, but it also helps protect your shoes from dust. You'll be amazed at how much space you free up in your closet once you move your lesser-used footwear out of the way. 9. Use bed lifter blocks for extra storage. If you need even more space under your bed lifter blocks can work wonders. These handy little blocks go under the legs of your bed, lifting you up a few extra inches and creating additional storage room underneath. This extra height is perfect for sliding in larger storage bins, suitcases, or bulkier items that wouldn't normally fit. It's an excellent solution for small apartments or homes where every square inch counts. Plus, since the items are hidden beneath the bed, your room will still look tidy and clutter-free. By lifting your bed just a few inches, you open up a whole new world of storage possibilities, giving you the extra room you didn't even know you had. 8. Sliding drawer organizers for junk drawers. Junk drawers are notorious for becoming chaotic catch-alls for everything from rubber bands to spare batteries. To keep your junk drawer in check, invest in sliding drawer organizers. These two-tiered organizers allow you to create separate compartments for different items. No more digging through piles of random objects. With this hack, you'll find what you need in seconds. 7. Over-the-door hooks for small closets. If you're struggling to fit all your clothes, accessories, and shoes into a small closet, over-the-door hooks are your new best friend. These simple hooks can be hung over the back of any door, instantly creating more hanging space for hats, scarves, bags, and even shoes. You can also use them to hang extra hangers or laundry bags. These hooks utilize vertical space you might otherwise overlook, allowing you to maximize your closet's capacity. By keeping your accessories off the floor and neatly hung, you'll not only create a more organized closet, but also make it easier to find what you need when you're getting dressed. 6. Foldable laundry totes. Traditional laundry baskets can be bulky and take up valuable space. Enter the foldable laundry tote, a space-saving alternative that's both functional and practical. These totes can be scrunched down when not in use, allowing you to store them flat in a closet or behind a door. When you need them, they pop open to hold a full load of laundry. Some designs even have built-in handles for easy carrying, making them perfect for trips to the laundromat or laundry room. This hack is particularly useful for homes with limited laundry space, as you can easily stash away the tote when it's empty. 5. Revolving countertop organizer. Cluttered countertops can make even the cleanest kitchens look messy. A revolving countertop organizer is the perfect solution for tidying up small items like coffee pods, tea bags, spices, or condiments. With multiple compartments and a rotating design, it allows you to store items in an orderly way while keeping them easily accessible. You simply spin the organizer to grab what you need. This is especially helpful in kitchens with limited cabinet space, or for those who want a stylish way to display and store essentials. By keeping everything in one place, you'll streamline your countertop and make meal prep more efficient. 4. Angled storage bins for cabinets. Cabinet storage can quickly become a mess, especially when bins and containers hide items you need. Angled storage bins solve this problem by providing a front-facing design that allows you to see and access everything inside. without pulling the entire bin out. These bins work great in kitchen cabinets, linen closets, or bathroom vanities, allowing you to store everything from cleaning supplies to towels more efficiently. The angled design not only saves time, but also ensures that every inch of storage is used effectively. You'll spend less time searching for what you need and more time enjoying your neatly organized space. 3. Plate organizers for kitchen cabinets. If your kitchen cabinets are overflowing with dishes, a simple plate organizer can make a world of difference. These organizers stack your plates vertically, allowing you to maximize shelf space while keeping your dishes easily accessible. You can also use them for flat items like cutting boards or pans. By utilizing a plate organizer, you free up space for other kitchen essentials, making your cabinets look cleaner and more organized. Plus, you'll reduce the risk of chipping or breaking plates by keeping them stacked securely. This simple tool can be a game changer for anyone looking to tidy up their kitchen. 2. Shelf hooks for closet accessories. Maximize the space in your closet by adding shelf hooks to hang accessories like bags, hats, and scarves. These hooks easily slide onto any shelf, utilizing the often wasted space above and behind your clothes. By hanging items vertically, you free up valuable shelf and drawer space while keeping everything within reach. This hack is especially useful for small closets where space is at a premium. With your accessories neatly hung and organized, your closet will not only look more spacious, but also function more efficiently, making it easier to get ready and keep things tidy. 1. Declutter with drawer dividers. The #1 home organization hack that truly transforms chaos into calm is using drawer dividers. Whether you're organizing your kitchen utensils, office supplies, or clothing drawers, dividers help separate items into neat, categorized sections. By breaking up a large drawer into smaller, more manageable spaces, you'll instantly reduce clutter and make it easier to find what you need. Drawer dividers also encourage mindful organization, helping you keep only what you need and ensuring everything has a designated place. This simple yet effective tool is the ultimate solution for turning messy, chaotic drawers into tidy, functional spaces. By incorporating these 10 home organization hacks, you'll transform your living space from chaotic to calm. Whether you're looking to maximize storage in a small apartment or simply streamline your home, these hacks will help you create a more organized, stress-free environment. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, then hit the subscribe button to never miss out on any of our videos. See you next time.